Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can archive your mails in Zoho Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to archive the mails in your Zoho Mail, you first have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after opening the application, you will see many options here. You just simply have to choose the folder where you have the email that you want to archive. After opening the folder, just simply select the email that you want to archive. After selecting the emails, you will get many options at the top of the application, and one of them is Archive. You just simply have to click on that Archive button in order to archive that mail into Zoho Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.